On today's cheap but fancy menu, an amazing vegan Alfredo you can make with less than $2. Vegan Alfredo is one of my favorite recipes. It's cheap to make, really easy, and it's absolutely delicious. Bring a pot of water to boil. Water. Cashews. Season with salt and pepper. Blend on high speed. Once the cashews are liquefied, set aside. Season your water and pasta in. Garlic. Be generous with that garlic. This is what's going to give that Alfredo most of its flavor. Tomato. Stir your pasta occasionally to keep it from sticking to the bottom. Once your pasta is done, cool it in cold water to stop it from cooking. Drain and set aside. Pan back on medium-high heat. Olive oil. Garlic. Tomatoes. Pasta. Baby kale, spinach, or arugula. Cashew cream. Just a few simple ingredients, you have this amazing, creamy, satisfying vegan Alfredo. Just amazing. Of course, we just got to finish that off with some fresh cracked pepper. And some amazing extra virgin olive oil. Vegan Alfredo always puts me at a loss for words because it is just so simple and absolutely amazing.